Hi everyone, welcome to this YouTube tutorial. So in this video, I will share with you how you can get your tax refund if you are in the US. So as you can see, this person right here gets a $5,000 tax refund. And in this video, I would show you as well how you can do the same steps. Just follow this step-by-step tutorial and follow the steps and you will get your tax refund as well. So as you can see right here, this person, as I said, get $5,000 as a refund using this service or this website. I will show you how you can do it for free because sometimes you need to pay money to get access of this or to get advantage of this service, which is TaxAct.com, but I will show you how you can get it for free without paying any money. So as you can see right here, this person is getting a $5,000 in tax refund. So first, you need to create an account in this website. This website is taxact.com. Taxact.com. You need, or as you can see right there, as they said in their website, $0 simple federal filling. So this website help you to fill in your tax federal or your tax informations, and they will do the work when it comes to analyze your data and getting for you a refund or a tax refund. So as you can see, you just need to click on get started, and you have to choose a plan right here. So go with the free one. Just click on file free, which is the free plan on their website, which is the the $0 cost plan. Once you click on it, you need to sign in, but you don't have an account and you need to create one. It's completely easy. Just click on create an account, and right here you need to fill in your email, your as I said, retype your email, mobile number, your mobile phone number, your username, and the password. And after filling your information, they will ask you to verify your account by verify your email. They will send you a digit code, a 6-digit code. You need to enter it right there, and they will verify as well your phone number. Just enter the code that you will receive in your phone number in an SMS, and once you verify these two steps, just click on get started, and boom, you have right now an account and you are ready to fill in your informations if you want to get a tax refund. So just how did you fill your taxes last year? If you didn't do this with this platform, just click other software or accountant or one of this. It depends on your case. So once you click on one of this, then you need to start filling in your information. So this asks you to tell us about you or to tell them about yourself. So you need to enter some personal informations, something like what best describes your relationship status, singular, all of this stuff. It's really easy. Just enter your real informations and make sure all of your informations or the data that you enter in this website is correct, because based on that you will get your refund, and you don't want to lose your refund because you are entering some some wrong information. So just make sure to make all of your informations right. So you need to enter more informations about your date, your name, and all of this stuff. It's really easy. Your family, some information about your family, about your address as well. You need to enter your address right there. Click on continue, and right here you have to review all of the informations that you provide them. So just make sure all of them are right and click on continue. Click on continue as well right here to start think of. We have a few questions, so we just say on continue. So what kind of income did you have? Just if you are work as an employee, as a farm, as a farm income, as a rental income, what kind of income you have and you pay tax for, and that's why they ask about this. So did you have an investment or savings? All the time make sure you enter your real information, because they're gonna check all of your informations to accept and to give you the refund. So did you have enough this family expenses? Just be honest and enter your answers in 2020 or in 2021. It depends on the country they ask about. Click on continue. What describes your housing situation? Enter it and click on continue. And thanks for answers. We are off to go start. So click on continue and now get more out of your TaxAct experience. Click on continue, and right here they ask you to sign for this, or to give them the access to analyze your data and take your data and to trade it and all of this stuff. So they need your permission. So you just need to enter the today's date and the signature. You just need to sign this agreement. So, and you click on continue right here. And now what is your W2/2? So with your employer's EIN, we may be able to import your W2 from your payroll provider if available. So you need to enter right here your EIN or your employer identification number. Click on continue. Right here enter the employer informations. You need to enter your employer information as well right here, which is the name and the street and the zip code and the city, and it's just the address. And click on continue, and right here enter the more information. So as you can see right here, you need to enter in the box number 1 the wages. You need to enter the social security wages, the Medicare wages, social security tabs, and all of this stuff. And you will get, as they say right there, enter information exactly as it appears on your W2 form. It's okay if some files are blank. And right here, you just scroll down and you need to enter more information. Click on continue. Do you need to add another W2? Just say no. And right here they give you a suggestion. So they say that ask your employer about medical flexible spending account, which is the FSA. It's just a suggestion from them. Just click on continue and click on did you pay any other interest in 2020. If you do so, click on yes and enter the information. If no, just click on no. Select any similar payment you received in 2020. Click on continue. If you receive them, they will ask you about the amount. If you don't, they will not ask you about this. So just enter your information. And as you can see right here, click on continue. And we have checked the taxes section for you. Click on continue. Do you want to enter bank account information? If yes or no, it depends on your situation. Just click on yes or no. And do any of these situations apply to you? If one of the situations apply to you, just check it on and click on continue. And as you can see right here, here is the estimation or the amount of money you will get back on your tax refund. So they say that congratulations, you are getting a refund right here, based on the information you insert, based on the salary or office or the amount of tax you pay. And right here, here's the summary. What do you want to pay? So right here you will get asked to pay, or what is the payment method you want to use to pay for the service. Because even if it's free, yes, it's free to enter your information, but you need to pay for their hard work, because they will work on your information. They help you to do this to get your tax refund. So they will charge for you something like, I think it's $5. Just right here chose pay free from your refund. So you will not pay money right now, but you will pay the money or the service fees from your refund. Once you get to the refund, you will get the service fee from that refund and give you the rest. Just click on this one, and as you can see right here, here is your products, and here is your order and how much money you have to pay, which is something like $5. It's something like nothing. Just scroll down and click on continue, and congratulations. So that was everything for today's video. Please, if you are still watching until this part of the video, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you on the next video.